He's a soldier. You are a soldier. And this is war.
A soldier's job is to protect the nation from all kinds of threats.
Just like Net Protector Antivirus, the cybersecurity defense expert that safeguards every classified information from all kinds of cyber attacks with its real-time threat detection technology.
Secure your data and devices with Net Protector Antivirus.
Those images featured HRX and NTR recommending our cybersecurity solutions. Honored by the Minister of Energy in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister of Gujarat for Enterprise Security and Data Protection.
Data on employee PCs is one of the most critical assets today. Passwords protect email, banking, GST, and accounting systems, but they are often weak, reused, and easily compromised. They can be cracked, stolen using tools, or saved in browsers and remote sessions. Our BI cybersecurity guidelines require strict access control, including MFA, role-based access, and regular audits. Net Protector, with 33+ years of cybersecurity expertise, offers an advanced solution for secure login protection. Krypton MFA combines hardware plus software plus AI security with biometric authentication, automated password policy, encrypted access control, and real-time threat detection. Ideal for BFSI, accounting, payroll, and sensitive business systems.
Picture this: an international enterprise with a booming sales team. To hit their targets while staying secure with Krypton Enterprise AI Insight, the sales reps need data, specifically price and sales trends buried deep inside the company's centralized MongoDB server. To speed things up, they started using AI chatbots to write Python scripts. It worked. They got their data, but it came with a massive hidden cost. In feeding schema details and queries to public AI models, confidential company data, proprietary pricing structures, and internal sales trends were being leaked outside the corporate firewall. Suddenly, the CISO, the CISO, was facing a nightmare scenario. The CISO had a delicate balancing act to pull off. How do you stop the sales team from using AI to generate Python code and query database infrastructure without stripping away the AI tools they rely on every day to draft client emails, sales messages, and follow-ups? Total restriction would kill productivity. Total freedom would kill security. The answer isn't a blanket ban. It's smart, context-aware AI governance, powered by Krypton Enterprise AI Insight. By implementing specialized data loss prevention, or DLP, gateways for AI, the company successfully blocked code generation prompts and database schema uploads. Meanwhile, they kept the creative pipelines open, allowing the sales team to safely use AI for communication and outreach. Security intact. Productivity unlocked. Krypton Enterprise AI Insight is how you handle modern shadow IT. Think about your company's network security. When your team or vendors access critical systems from outside the office, are you forcing risky trade-offs? Traditional VPNs do one thing: they open the entire house and just hope for the best. One login exposes your whole network, not just one resource. Worse yet, temporary permissions get granted and quietly pile up because nobody remembers to revoke them. In fact, roughly 80% of hacking breaches involve stolen or weak credentials. A password alone is no longer a safe gate. It's time to stop trusting the network blindly. Welcome to Cryptone Zero Trust Network Access built by NPAV-Biz Secure Labs. Cryptone applies strict zero trust principles to every single access request. The rule is simple: never trust, always verify. Instead of opening the floodgates, Cryptone opens exactly one door, for one person, for one specific time window, and then automatically locks it behind them. Here is how Cryptone changes the game in 4 simple steps. First, we verify identity. Users log in with a password plus a one-time code sent to WhatsApp or email, tied strictly to their approved IP address. It's just like an ATM. Your card alone isn't enough, you need the PIN. Second, it's least privilege access. Users pick exactly one server and a time window, say 30 minutes. They only see what they are explicitly granted. Think of it like booking a meeting room online for a specific hour. Third, instant mobile approvals. The administrator gets a notification on their phone and approves it with a single tap. The door opens instantly, just for that user's IP. Fourth, automatic revocation. The moment the time window ends, access is pulled automatically. Like a self-locking hotel door, nothing is left open by accident. Whether it's emergency admin access from home, time-bound web permissions, or managing third-party vendors, Cryptone replaces slow firewall changes with instant, supervised control. Plus, you get complete end-to-end encryption and a full audit trail so you know exactly who accessed what and when. Standing access is a massive liability. Protect your production servers, databases, and critical systems today. Open the door only when needed. Close it automatically. Secure your environment with Cryptone ZTNA. Visit www.npav.net/ZTNA or reach out to our team at sales@npav.net to schedule your demo today. In today's corporate environment, maintaining total control over your sensitive data is critical. Internal risks like unauthorized file transfers, accidental leaks, and unmonitored user actions put your organization at risk every day. Meet Cryptone Endpoint DLP, your comprehensive solution for total data loss prevention. Cryptone DLP delivers robust browser monitoring to oversee all web-based activities and prevent data exposure. It enforces strict upload restrictions to block and report unauthorized file sharing on unapproved websites, and automatically captures screenshots during suspicious activity. For communication channels, email protection monitors outgoing messages and restricts email access to authorized platforms like Outlook, and scans attachments for potential risks. Furthermore, download monitoring and file control track and restrict the download of specific file types, such as executables or compressed files, to block unapproved content. Beyond the web, device control and peripheral control manage and restrict access to external hardware like USB drives and printers, preventing unauthorized data copying. The system even monitors and restricts Bluetooth file transfer to block unauthorized wireless data exchange. Inside your infrastructure, Drive Monitoring continuously oversees all activities on local, external, and network drives, with comprehensive tracking of file movements and deletions. To secure your local assets, Folder Lock Protection offers customizable security options to lock and protect files and folders from unauthorized modification. Krypton DLP also includes advanced data classification, automatically identifying and labeling files through content analysis and keywords for precise control, while allowing manual tagging to ensure total control. It scans for sensitive data such as credit card details and personal identifiers to ensure continuous protection. To prevent physical or visual data leaks, print screen blocking restricts the use of the print screen function entirely. Printer activity is fully monitored and logged to prevent unauthorized physical documentation, and watermark printing subtly embeds secure backgrounds into printed documents to protect against counterfeiting and unauthorized reproduction. Krypton Endpoint DLP applies artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to identify sensitive data, recognize suspicious behavior, and reduce false positives. Intelligent content detection identifies sensitive data across files, web, email, and clipboard with greater accuracy, finding risky data humans and rules miss. Behavioral anomaly analysis learns user patterns to flag unusual transfers and potential insider risk in real time, surfacing threats before data leaves. Adaptive threat recognition continuously refines detection as new patterns emerge, while context-aware analysis minimizes analyst fatigue by reducing false positives. Every action is backed by comprehensive activity logging, maintaining a detailed audit trail of website visits, form submissions, and policy violations for auditing. When unauthorized access is detected, interactive alerts send real-time warnings to users, enabling users to take immediate corrective action. Meanwhile, the screenshot facility and image capture automatically log visual evidence of policy-violating actions, providing visual evidence for streamlined compliance reporting. Protect your corporate intellectual property and ensure complete compliance. Secure your organization today with Krypton Endpoint DLP. Visit kryptoneb.com to get started. Protect your financial institution with a comprehensive security and compliance framework designed for the modern landscape. Our AMDR services provide 24/7 threat monitoring and incident response through our MSOC, while PIM and PAM solutions secure privileged access. We simplify compliance management, ensuring your organization aligns perfectly with RBI, SEBI, and IRDAI cybersecurity requirements. Stay ready for DPDP with our robust data protection solutions, featuring DLP to prevent leakage and Krypton for advanced discovery and classification. Key benefits include continuous threat detection, privileged access security, and full regulatory support to drastically reduce cyber risks and insider threats. Secure, comply, and protect. Empower your BFSI organization with our specialized security and compliance solutions today.